tell me. Greater Himalayas, Dhauladhar, and then I said that Dhulwa. Completely okay in your mind? Yes? So which four mountain ranges able to see in the Himachal Pradesh? Jaskar, Greater Himalayas, Dhauladhar, and Dhulwa. Can you remember? Yes? And then we'll also see for Uttarakhand. And in the Uttarakhand, that you can say that it is Greater Himalayas. In the Uttarakhand it is what? And then Middle Himalayas, and it is in the form of, I said that, yes, tell me, Nag, Tibba and Mussoorie range. Which one I said that? Nag, Tibba and Mussoorie range. Completely okay in your mind? Nag, Tibba and Mussoorie range. And here it is known as, yes, Dhang. Completely okay in your mind? So the Jaskar range is not in Uttarakhand. Getting my point? So this physiography is clear. Yesterday we have also seen, like in this region 150 centimeter rainfall. In this region 250 centimeter. 250 to 200 centimeter. Understood? एंड कभी आप देखें कि कांगड़ा, जो कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है उसको बोलते हैं धर्मशाला. वहां पे हेडक्वार्टर क्या है कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट का? धर्मशाला. एंड देन धौलाधर रेंज इज क्रॉसिंग थ्रू दिस. और व्हेन द मैच इज टू टेक प्लेस एट धर्मशाला, क्रिकेट मैच देखा होगा इफ यू, दे यूज्ड टू शो यू धौलाधर रेंज. विच रेंज यू विल बी एबल टू सी? धौलाधर रेंज इन, यस टेल मी, इन द कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट. इन विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? Able to locate in your mind? Yes. Fill करना आपको. So Greater Jaskar range, Greater Himalayas, Dhauladhar, and then we have been able to see which range? Dhundwa. And then here we have been able to see Great Himalayas, Nag, Tibba and Mussoorie, and then Dhang range. Completely okay in your mind? So mountain ranges we have seen. Rainfall. Agriculture में मैंने क्या बोला था? Rice, maize, wheat. एंड थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाएंगे देन मेज एंड व्हीट. अंडरस्टूड? द सेम वे राइस, मेज, व्हीट. बट हमने बोला था कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में दे आर डूइंग ओनली व्हाट आई सेड दैट टी कल्टीवेशन. कांगड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में दे आर डूइंग व्हाट? टी कल्टीवेशन. अंडरस्टूड इट? यस्टरडे आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू दैट द सतलुज रिवर इट इज कमिंग लाइक दिस. और यहाँ पे क्या बना रहा है? गोल्ड प्रेशर डिपॉजिट्स. नाउ if you see that I said that in the Uttarakhand from the Yamunotri glacier, Yamuna river originated from the which glacier? I said that Yamunotri. Which glacier? I said that Yamunotri glacier. Which river originated? Yamuna. And this Yamuna river is coming and touching Himachal Pradesh. You can see that it is coming and touching Himachal Pradesh. Able to locate? Able to locate? Thereafter I said that this is clear. Yamunotri glacier. From the Yamunotri glacier, which river originated? Yamuna river. And Yamunotri glacier is in which? Uttarakhand. Thereafter, next point I am going to say. This is already I have said that ये क्या reason है आपको? मानसरोवर and राकास lake. Which lake I said that? मानसरोवर and राकास lake. And from the Mansarovar Rakas lake, yesterday I have said that earlier that it is in a which river? Indus river is originated. Which river? And then from the Mansarovar and Rakas lake, which river also originated? याद है ना? सबेरा. याद है? सबे रा चाचा जी कार में घूमने जाते हैं. तो इसमें हमने आपको चाचा जी और कार वाले इस सेक्शन को इन द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आई हैव कंप्लीटेड. एंड देन आई सेड दैट सतलज, ब्यास, रावी. विच रिवर आई सेड दैट? एंड देन सत्य को किसने मारा? नाथुराम गोडसे ने मारा था. सत्य कौन है? हु इज सत्य? हु इज फेमस फॉर सत्य? गांधी जी. सत्य को मारा. कैन यू रिमेंबर? सतलुज रिवर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम Mansarovar and Rakas Lake. Understood? और the girls used to get afraid of एक चीज से वो डरती हैं, that is known as छिपकली. कैसे? वो भी जहां देखते हैं उनको मार ही दो, पहले उसको हटा दो. अंडरस्टूड? तो मारा, और यहां पे देखेंगे छिपकिला पास. विच पास से इट इज एंटरिंग इनटू इट? छिपकिला पास. इट एंटर्ड इनटू, shall I remove this mountain ranges now? Greater Himalaya, Dhauladhar and Dhundwa range. Yes? And it is entered into it, and it is moving like this. Which river I said that? Satya ne mara. Mansarovar Rakas Lake se which river originated? Satluj. It is entering into Himachal Pradesh or India. Which pass I said that? Can you remember Sipkila pass? Understood? Satluj, Byas, Ravi. So Satluj river I said that originated from Mansarovar and Rakas Lake. And then I said that it is entering into India through which pass? Shipkila pass. Next point I said that it has 2 dams. किसने माना था सत्य को? नाथुराम गोडसे. किसने माना था? Who has killed? नाथुराम गोडसे. And then उसके बाद he has run away or he was there? He was there. Yes or not? भागा नहीं था वो भागा नहीं था. तो which are the dam? Who has killed? Nathuram Nathpa dam. Which dam? Nathpa dam. Understood? Which dam on Satluj river? Nathpa dam. And another I said that भागा नहीं था, भाखड़ा dam. Which dam I said that? Yes. और भाग जाता तो that portion is considered as नंगा आदमी, बेकार आदमी. Nangal dam. Thereafter नीचे जाओगे तो there is an what? So Nangal dam is in Punjab, 16 kilometer down. So you can be able to see, like I said, Satluj river, and then Satluj river is making, I said that on the Satluj river you can be able to see which dam? Nathpa dam. Which dam I said that? Nathpa dam. And then another dam I said that Bhakhda in the Bilaspur district. And just in the Punjab another dam it is forming, its name is Nangal. So Bhakhda, Nangal, that generally we used to study together, but the 16 kilometer down, again this water is what is stopped in Punjab, Ropar district, that is known as I said that Rupnagar. So in the Punjab it is again stopped, and you can be able to see which are the dams. This is Satluj, this is Byas, this is Ravi, and this is Chenab. And on the Satluj river what we are seeing that through the Sipkila pass it is entering. And then along the Simla and Kinnaur border पे which dam it is forming? Nathpa झाकरी छोड़ दे, नाथपा याद रखें. Thereafter in the Bilaspur it is making which dam? Bhakhda dam. And further in the Punjab, Nangal dam. Which dam? Bhakhda, and then I said that Nangal dam. याद हो गया? Which are the 2 dams in the Satluj river? I said that Nathpa dam, and another we have seen Bhakhda, and then Nangal in Punjab. Understood? Clear? Satluj river it is clear. Thereafter I talked about, this is completely okay. And thereafter it comes into Punjab. ये किस रीजन में आया? It comes into Punjab. Getting my point? It comes into Punjab. Then I am talking about this. Can I remember? Satluj river originated from Mansarovar and Rakas Lake in Tibet, and it is coming into Himachal or India through Sipkila Pass. And then it has dams like I said that Nathpa dam, Bhakhda and Nangal dam. Understood? Nathpa and Bhakhda it is in Himachal, and Nangal dam. और आप लोगों ने देख रखा था कि last class में what is the meaning of watershed area and what is the watershed management and what is the significance of drainage system. And then देख रहे हो कि why there is a several dams has been formed on the Satluj river. नहीं तो flood आ जाता. In the Punjab completely flooded. Now I said that Byas and Ravi. Byas and Ravi river originated from, you know that, Rohtang Pass. It is originated from, पता है आपको, याद है कि 20 Ravi से everybody will convert into Ru. Due to 20 Ravi, everybody will convert into, yes, Ru, Rohtang Pass. Byas and Ravi. Completely okay in your mind? Byas and Ravi. Rohtang Pass. Is it okay in your mind? 20 Ravi say everybody will convert into Ru. Now, so you can see that in the Kullu district, there is a Rohtang Pass. Yadi aap kabhi Manali, if you are going to what is on the tourism, on the you will go, then you will also learn about from the nearby Manali there is a Rohtang Pass is there. And from there, which river originated? Byas river and Ravi river. Understood it? And then, or when he say Manali say there is a river is crossing आपको Byas river, you can be able to see. Byas and Ravi. And this is Byas river, I said that. Understood? And on the Byas river, if I am talking about Byas, PP, I said that हमने बोला 20 कौन है हमारे यहाँ? You know that in our India, still there is a priest empire is there, priestly empire is there. They used to come in our India. Now that everybody is doing Pindadan and all, so that their forefathers can live what is in a very well way. They are not able to eat in the upper atmosphere. Yes or not? उनको खाना नहीं मिलता इसलिए we are doing some kind of it so that we can provide something from there. Then it can be able to reach. So we have seen. हमने क्या देखा यस टेल में? तो 20 पंडित हैं. कौन है? How many पंडित we have? 20 पंडित और बड़े अच्छे सिखाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर वो छोड़ देते हैं. क्या करते हैं? छोड़ देते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? 20 पंडित ने बहुत खाया और उसके बाद वो उन्होंने क्या किया? पोंग. So which are the dam? Another dam I said that Pong Dam. Byas river has Pando and Pong. Can you remember in your mind? Pando Dam and? Yes. Byas river has which two dams? Pando and Pong Dam. And Pong Dam is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. Pong Dam is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. Pong Dam is known as, and it is a wetland. It is a what? Wetland. Understood? It is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. Generally, dams are looking like lake, and most of the dams are considered as a lake. Understood? So, which lake it is? Pong Dam. Maharana Pratap Sagar. Which dam I said that? Maharana Pratap Sagar. Understood it? Pong Dam. Completely okay in your mind? Yes? Understood it? समझ में आ गया? And it is also known as wetland. और थोड़ा सा आप पीछे चले जानेंगे तो हमने क्या देखा? I said that सतलुज रिवर कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ? Yes, Mansarovar and Rakas Lake. It is entering into India through which pass? Sipkila Pass. And it is making, I said that, making which? Nathuram Godse. Yes, Nathuram Godse means Nathpa Dam. And then I said that Bhakra. Bhaga nahi tha wo. Khada tha wahin pe Bhakra Dam. And then if it has run away, it is known as, I said that, Nanga. And then this Bhakra Dam is known as Govind Sagar Lake. Therefore I return back. It is known as which lake? Govind Sagar Lake. Understood? Understood? Which lake it is known as? When we'll come into, I said that one Rihand river in the Bundel Baghelkhand area mein from the Chhattisgarh it comes, it is known as Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar. So do not get confused with, this is Govind Sagar and that is Govind Ballabh Pant in the UP, MP and Chhattisgarh border. Govind Ballabh, that is Rihand Dam. And this one is, I said that which? Govind Sagar, only Govind. Understood it? So, Bhakra Dam is also known as which dam? Govind Sagar. So, can you say that यहाँ पर ये कौन सा है? which it is Rohtang Pass in Kullu district. And from the Kullu district, which river originated? Beas and Ravi. And then Beas it is coming, and like this it is. And this is in a which river? Satluj. And this is Beas. Understood? Yeah, answer. And then Satluj and Beas river is making in a, which are the two dams? Pando and what? Pong. Pando and Pong. And Pong dam is in a what? Wetland, or it is known as Maharana Pratap Sagar Lake. It is Govind Sagar Lake. It is Maharana Pratap. Satluj and Beas meet at Punjab. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? Yes, tell me. They are meeting in Punjab, and that is known as Harike. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? They are meeting at Harike. Understood? They are meeting at Harike, and at Harike they are the